Wanting to make sure that you become a better version of yourself professionally. I want to talk to you guys today about something important. Don't wait for a company to right size, terminate, whatever you want to call it, fired. Don't wait for a company to fire you for you to make your own mark in the areas of your career and your industry. If you're having desires to make a change in your career, start doing them now. And if you're not sure of how to cultivate that, then I have a resource that I'll share with you in a minute. But if you've always wanted to be a fashion designer, but you're working at a regular retail job at the moment, understand, of course you guys know I'm driving so my eyes are on the road, understand that there are many people out there now that bought their sewing machines and started out at their house, in the basement, in a room in their house, and they've made that dream come to a whole nother level. They have online stores now, and they have employees. Listen, nothing that is a dream for you, nothing that you truly desire to do is unreachable. It all starts here. Any dream career you have doesn't have to stay in dream mode in your head. If you're really serious, then we can work together so we can get that done for you. You can actually, go ahead and let's work together one-on-one on that by going to mentorshelley.com/services/career strategy. Life is life. Life is going to throw changes at you, whether you like it or not. At least this particular change is something you want. I'll give you another prime example. I have a friend of mine that had this desire to encourage and to empower and to speak, because sometimes we become what we need. We all need empowerment. We all need somebody to put positive vibes into us and to reassure us that life is not as bad as some circumstances make it. And instead of sitting there moaning and complaining, she started her own nonprofit organization. Now it's at its beginning stages, but that's a step in the right direction. Nobody's going to give you permission to go after your dreams. You got to take it. Nobody's going to give you permission to really go out there and grab what your dream is. You have to make that happen. I can help you put it together. I can help you structure it. I can help you put the things to, put each piece together. What do you do next to structure it for you? Let's work together on that. So you can do that by going to mentorshelley.com/services/career strategy. Don't wait for life to throw changes at you. You make those changes in your life. And then if they do get around to, let's terminate, let's this, you already have something working in the background that you truly desire, that you truly want, that you're cultivating for yourself. Alright guys, take care. And of course, if you want to connect with me, you can do so at mentorshelley.com/contact, or you can leave me a voicemail or an email message, and I'll be more than happy to return your voicemail or your email within 24 hours. Take care, guys. I'll see you in the next video. And make sure, don't wait for permission. Take action.